Dear students, hope by this time you have better adjustment with the situations. During this period of lockdown, some of us may feel upset about the future or some may lost enthusiasm. But what I have to say, though time is coming to a halt temporarily, we must never forget that life is still moving and you do have to move, you do have to minds to go to cherish your dream. I wish you are preparing yourself for that, keeping close virtual touch with your friends and of course with us as well to keep each one of us moral high. Let us come to today's discussion. Many times when we have to prepare research report at our postgraduate or MPhil level, we may feel bit tense about what will be the topic, what will be the title or problem, and once it is final, another big challenge comes: how to conduct the survey or collect the data. Most of the time we choose the tool questionnaire, but challenge still remains how to develop the questionnaire or tool. Today we are going to discuss about designing the questionnaire. So let us proceed for that. A good questionnaire design leads to good survey results, as it is said earlier. So if your tool is good, then your performance or activities will be good. Dear students, I have planned to complete this unit in a phased manner. Due to some technical limitations, it is not possible to give a long video. So let us proceed for meaning and functions of questionnaire today. A questionnaire may be regarded as a form of interview on paper. As the questionnaire is impersonal, it is all the more important to take care of its construction. Since there is no interviewer to explain ambiguities or to check misunderstanding, the questionnaire must be specially clear in its working. There are different definitions of questionnaire also. Here I am giving the meaning of questionnaire, putting the keywords highlighted. A questionnaire is a device consisting of a series of printed, formalized and pre-specified questions. It is a printed form. It is a form of interview on paper. Here, the response options or choices to answers are provided to the respondent. And it is said as formalized. Why? Because the questionnaire is organized, logically sequenced, and the questions incorporated in a questionnaire are pre-specified questions that must have the ability to serve the purpose, must be valid. The questions must have the ability to fulfill the research objectives to collect required data. Another important features, as I have said, it provides choices to answer or to response, as it is a written form. Therefore, options to response is provided to the respondent. It is one of the important features. These are some of the important features of questionnaire. Another important feature of questionnaire is that it is designed to generate information from a specific sample. That means informations are generated with the help of the questionnaire. From whom? From the targeted sample, from the targeted population, from whom the researcher or the investigator do require or want to have information or data. As I have said earlier, a good questionnaire must be valid, reliable, interesting, distinct and professional in its layout. So these are the basic features or characteristics and meaning of questionnaire as well. So let us proceed for the functions of a questionnaire. So questionnaire is a form which is prepared and distributed for the purpose of securing responses. Generally, these questions are factual and designed for securing information about certain conditions or practices of which recipient or respondents have prior knowledge. Questionnaire is termed as flexible because questionnaire has open form also, and respondee has the scope to put their responses openly. It provides factual information, and another basic functions of questionnaire is that it provides basic structure to interview. As I have said earlier, it is a written format of interview, and therefore questionnaire serves the base of an interview schedule also. It provides means of answering or writing responses. As I have said earlier, questionnaire always consists of answering options or writing options. There are choices. So it provides the respondee to put their responses in written format. Most importantly, through questionnaire, the investigator have the scope to collect both qualitative and quantitative data. And one of the basic functions of questionnaire is that as it helps the investigator to collect both qualitative and quantitative data, it helps in processing, analyzing and interpreting the collected data also. If the researcher wants to analyze the data statistically or quantitatively, the questionnaire design may be formulated or formed as such. And like that way, if the investigator wants to describe and analyze the data qualitatively, the questionnaire may be designed like that way. So these are the basic functions of a questionnaire. Dear students, I am going to stop today's discussion here. So in the next class, I wish to address you on the basic theme of this discussion, designing or planning for a questionnaire. So until then, stay safe, stay secured, and thank you and good night.